the latest on the Shiba Inu coin. You owe it to yourself and your 10 million sheep to check this out. When looking ahead, how promising are the Shiba Inu token's chances? I'd like to know the most recent developments concerning this digital currency. In today's video, we'll cover the topics in question. In that case, I'd like to welcome you to the Rich Coin channel. Don't miss the next video by now liking this one and subscribing to the channel. Live Shiba Inu prices as of writing are at 11 cents, with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. The value of one Shiba is displayed in current US dollars, while investors in sheep are patiently waiting for a new high. The value of Shiba Inu has dropped by 2.47% in the last day. Trading volume and asset volatility have both dropped recently. As a result, we can conclude that the consolidation period preceded the development of the current trend. Price consolidation is often considered as a precursor to a major shift in the market. During this time, a tight trading range for the sheep price established between the levels of 50 cents at the bottom and 55 cents at the top. Since the pair has broken out of the descending triangle, it appears that the downward trend has paused for the time being. For the sheep coin to resume its upward trend, the bulls will need to be totally committed to the market. When trying to gyrate, Shiba Inu Roman 11 has had a hard time breaking free of the constraints of its trendline. White's opposition was met with failure for over 2 months. The bearish edge of the canine-themed cryptocurrency has made it vulnerable to sell-offs from its short-term EMA. For the sake of brevity, her prices have been increased by a factor of 1,000. The 957 cents report has recently seen a return of purchasing interest, but this has so far been unable to change the overall bearish picture in the near term. To help the sellers discover new lows, a persistent move below the $101.4 level would be ideal. Shib saw a 24-hour loss of 2.82%, closing at 1,013 cents at press time. From the top of its channel, she dissolved into tears. Is there any way for the bears to keep up this comeback? A week ago, she took off from 957 cents, laying the groundwork for a brief bull run toward the 2-hour red and the 50 EMA cyan before the bears retook control of the situation. In an uptrending channel rally, buyers are attempting to break free from the constraints of the 50 moving average. She had previously been on a bullish trend, but an anticipated reversal caused a breakdown in the pattern and sent her back on the bearish one. As long as the 20 and 50-day EMA were pointing south, sellers might maintain control for the time being. Losses could increase if the price of Bitcoin bounces back from the 1,014 cents mark and then drops again. If the token can close above 1,014 cents in the near future, it will expose itself to short-term gains and give sellers a chance to test the 981 cents level. The 103 cents level could be tested if Shib experiences a bearish invalidation under these conditions. Along with this high bearish edge, the Chaikin money flows CMF dropped below the 0 mark, but its higher troughs over the last 3 days diverge bullishly from the market action. According to this interpretation, there will likely be a recovery during the next several sessions. Since around the middle of June, Shiba's price has responded favorably to rising interest rates, but since the previous month, funding rates have seen a modest increase, but price action has struggled to generate a sequence of higher peaks and troughs. In that case, the buyers would try to change the narrative in the short term to their advantage if the price action followed. Additionally, Alt has a 38% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin, so monitoring Bitcoin's movement in connection to market mood could be crucial for spotting any adverse invalidations. In spite of a few setbacks, the Shiba Inu burning party in hell seems to be progressing. But this time around, the Shiba community has extra reasons to celebrate. Through an Amazon affiliate link, the Shiba Inu Games portal has implemented a fire mechanism. In August, the Shiba Inu Shiba Mega Store reportedly burned through $2,000 in tokens, a milestone that had previously taken 6 months to reach. But could it keep going at the same rate? The Shib Mega Store was still on schedule to fulfill the burns from the previous month, though her rate of burning may be decreasing generally at the present moment. The administrator of the Shiba Superstore, Travis Johnson, offered a plausible explanation for the widespread enthusiasm on the platform, as can be seen in the tweet below. Someone set a new record for using the Amazon affiliate program to destroy the greatest quantity of Shiba Inu coins. 2 days ago on Amazon, this was posted. Amazon, in my opinion, has enormous growth potential. To purchase avocados, please click the link on the main page. Fires, 2,000 sheep stamped, 83,000 sheep lost. There is a cumulative effect of these exchanges. This campaign has accounted for the culling of about 40 million sheep, or 432 million animals, this month. Johnson tweeted that he had earned around $70 more than he had the previous week. Fantastic work, team. I know I keep saying this, but if everyone worked together, these weekly fires could easily be multiplied by a factor of 100. He even suggested it was possible to surpass September's total number of sheep burned by the end of October, when just half the month had passed. That time, $860 worth of lambs were consumed by flames. 84,729,064 sheep. To add to Johnson's confidence, we are on track to surpass last month's results. In addition to this, Kyber.com, the most reliable Kyber tracking website, had data showing that over 395.80 million Shiba Inu sheep were slaughtered in the last week, 50 million in the past 24 hours, and 43.23 million in a single major transaction. In addition, the number of Shiba Inus burned was said to have increased by a staggering 584.46% over the previous day, as reported by Shiba Inu. Meanwhile, according to data from CoinMarketCap, holders also demonstrated their confidence by driving the numbers up. With this increase, the total number of Shiba Inu owners has reached 1,224,583, compared to the 1,114,483 counted on January 3rd. This represented a 9% increase. What does this possibly mean for the holders? Yes, as discussed in an article published on October 15th, but for the past 2 months, Shiba Inu lady bears have ruled the roost. Even though this was the case, the value of Shiba Inu never quite recovered from the surge it experienced in 2021. There have been arguments made along the road about the digital asset's usefulness and potential applications, but these haven't been enough to keep its value stable. The price of the meme coin has dropped below a key technical level, signaling a sell-off. In the past few months, the price of Shib has been steadily rising, and it is already well above 1 cent. Meme currency bulls had amassed a significant following at this level, making it increasingly significant over time. That's right, 1 cent is now the benchmark that bears must surpass. And in the wee hours of Thursday, they finally have. After years of steady decrease, the price of Shiba Inus finally fell to below 1 cent. The cryptocurrency was simply reflecting the broader market trend that prompted the decline seen throughout the previous day. During this time period, Shib showed a fall of 7.66%, making it one of the cryptocurrencies with the greatest losses. As a result, Shib is presently trading at a significant discount to its 50-day moving average, and a new support level is forming just at 8 cents. As a result of its decline in value, the meme currency is now ranked number 15 on the list of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, behind IMT Rex. Price drops below